Establishing a power station operation and maintenance service business in Indonesia. To conduct O&M service for power station business, the company should obtain an electric power supporting services business license. The requirement by law in Indonesia to get the UJTL is regulated under Article 31 Paragraph 1 Letter and of Government Regulation in Indonesia No. 25 of 2021 regarding the implementation of energy and mineral resources. According to the pages 25/2021, a state-owned enterprise, regional-owned enterprises, private enterprises, public service agencies, and cooperatives may engage in the electric power support services business upon obtaining 1. An electric power support service business license, and 2. A business entity certificate for the electric power support services business. Private enterprises that provide electric power support services can be in the form of 1. A legal entity established under the prevailing laws. 2. A non-legal entity that has been registered with the MOLHR. 3. A foreign representative office established by a foreign entity or foreign individual that provides electric power support services. The electric power support services business consists of 1. Consultancy in the field of electric power installation. 2. Construction and installation work for an electric power installation. 3. Inspection and testing of an electric power installation. 4. Operation of the electric power installation. 5. Maintenance of electric power installation. 6. Research and development. 7. Education and training. 8. Electric power utility and equipment testing laboratories. 9. Electric power user and equipment certification. 10. Electric power engineering personnel competency certification. 11. Electric power support service business entity certification, and 12. Other service businesses directly related to the provision of electric power. General requirements that apply to foreign representative offices for electric power support service businesses in Indonesia. A foreign representative office can only obtain a business license for an electric power support services business in the following areas. 1. Consultancy in the field of electric power installations. 2. The construction and installation of electric power installations, and 3. The maintenance of electric power installations. GR 25/2021 restricts foreign representative offices to working on high-cost electric power support services that satisfy the following requirements. 1. The construction and installation work for an electric power installation must have a value of at least 100 billion Indonesian rupiahs, and 2. Any consultancy work in electric power installation or the maintenance of an electric power installation must have a value of at least 10 billion Indonesian rupiahs. To do so, a foreign representative office must, among other things, establish a joint operation with a domestic electric power support services business entity that satisfies the following requirements. 1. It is a limited liability company. 2. 100% of its shares are held by individual Indonesian citizens, the Republic of Indonesia, regional governments, private companies, state-owned. 2. Companies, region-owned companies, or cooperatives. 3. It must have a business entity certificate with large-scale business qualifications, and 4. It must have a license to provide electric power support services. How Schinder can help. Schinder Law Firm is a leading corporate law firm in Indonesia, practicing Indonesian company law and Indonesian investment law. Our team of corporate lawyers in Indonesia and investment lawyers has forged a reputation for assisting various clients across the globe. As Indonesian business lawyers, we have extensive experience providing services in company registration, obtaining a mandatory business license and providing legal consultancy services. Following the O&M M-Service Business for Power Station. We have been entrusted by a dozen multinational companies to obtain all the mandatory licenses and have been appointed as a permanent legal consultant to help them deal with daily legal matters.